Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iMessage stuck on verify phone number. If you're using any iPhone and you are trying to add your phone number to your iMessage, but your iMessage has been stuck on verifying step, so let's see how can you easily fix that error. The first way is that you have to open up your settings and here you have to try to update your software because sometimes it might be that your software is not updating. So you can get these type errors, so you have to try to update your software, and once you have updated, so it almost fix your issue. Or if it doesn't, so you have to try to disconnect with your VPN, and once you have disconnected, so your problem will be fixed. But if it not, you have to go to screen time, and here you have to go to this content and privacy restrictions, and you have to turn off this toggle to disable or remove all the restrictions from your phone. Once you have turned it off, so it will remove all the restrictions because sometimes it might be that your iMessage has been restricted, so you cannot add any phone number to your iMessage. And once you have that, and if you are still having the same issues, so now what you have to do, you just have to go to your general, then go for iPhone storage, and here you have to simply search for message. Once you have searched, you will get the app here, and from here you just have to try to clear the cache, or if you cannot find the option here, so you have to try to make a force restart your phone because sometimes maybe your phone must need to be restarted or it just cannot work. So you just have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. So now you have to wait for Apple logo here. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once you have that, you can now you can easily add your number to iMessage without the stucking issue. So in this way, you can easily fix if your iMessage stuck on verifying phone number. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.